Hello guys, welcome back to episode 2 of Foodie Friday. Today we'll be making a banana and raspberry smoothie which is packed with vitamins, fibers and just delicious overall.
Now, all these things, great. You got stabilized wheat germ, chia seeds, which is a great source of fiber and protein, ice cream, light ice cream, frozen raspberries, banana and honey. All these are packed with vitamins and minerals which are great for exercise.
As well as fiber to help you digest the food that you've eaten throughout the day.
Alright, let's get started. First up, we're going to be putting in the ice cream on the bottom, so that way the blade doesn't get all clogged up. There we go. Next in, stabilized wheat germ, chia seeds, raspberries. There we go. Brian, can you do the banana, please?
Then we'll add a banana. Instead, we'll add the milk. So this milk will provide us with extra calcium, which is crucial in adolescence, so us teenagers, as we need calcium to support our bones, make our bones more dense, so we aren't so likely to break them or injure them.
Muscle growth. Next up,
a tablespoon of honey, so that's for flavoring. So instead of adding sugar, because this is a healthy smoothie, we'll add honey as it's a natural source of sugar.
Get that dripped in. And you don't want to put this into an extra bowl or anything because it will get stuck.
Okay. Also, when you guys are adding the chia seeds and the wheat, make sure you only add a teaspoon of each, because the wheat has a very strong flavor and the chia seeds will expand once they hit moisture.
Alright, now let's get this started. Now that should be enough because it's really high commercial blender. Alright, now this makes 2 cups, hopefully, of banana berry smoothie. Let's get this in there. And there we go.
And that's the banana and berry smoothie with chia seeds and wheat.
Yep, alright, thank you. See you next time.